Poland, 2025. Russian hacktivists targeted a hydropower plant in Tczew twice. The May attack hit while the plant was offline for maintenance, so damage was limited. Unsurprisingly, the attackers didn't stop there. In August later that year, operators noticed something wrong. Power output dropping to zero for 30 to 60-minute stretches. SCADA systems had been compromised, giving hackers direct control over turbine speeds and water levels. This time, the damage was real. Tczew wasn't alone. Across Poland, in just April and May 2025, 4 water treatment plants, a sewage plant, and another hydropower facility were all targeted. Critical infrastructure was in the crosshairs. Every one of these attacks started the same way: hackers discovering an exposed internet-facing port. BlastWave makes those ports invisible. No exposed endpoints, no usable credentials, no lateral movements. Attackers attempt to scan your network and find nothing. Don't become the next Hackopedia entry. With BlastWave, there's nothing to attack.